Today I have a video how to redeem eBay subscription discount. All the time you busy and running your eBay business, sometime you forgot to redeem discount, or if you first time get eBay store subscription, this video helpful for you guys. I'm going to show you guys a subscription level for your stores. If you have basic stores, you have to pay monthly $24.95 per month. Premium stores, you have to pay $74.95. Anchor stores, you have to pay $349.95, yearly $19.95 for basic, premium $59.95. Anchor stores, you have to pay $299.95. If you get basic subscription stores, you getting a $25 discount per quarter. Every 3 months you can get $25 discount. You can get eBay branded shipping supply. If you have premium stores, you can get $50 per quarter. Every 3 months you can get eBay brand shipping supply, $50 value. If you have anchor stores, you can get $75 value for every 3 months. Everyone, I'm going to show you guys how to redeem your eBay discount coupon. So I have basic stores, that's mean $25 I'm getting every 3 months. Then I'm going to show you basic stores redeem $25. In my eBay stores, then I'm going to click sell, then going to stores, click stores, and you can see that scroll down subscriber discount, click subscriber discount. Turn to page like that, you can see subscriber discount. You can see the eBay shipping supply $25 coupon. Then I'm going to redeem that coupon. See details. Okay, you can see that my coupon code. Then I'm going to start shopping. See, they have boxes, packing tape, and padded bubble mailer, stickers, wrapping papers. So many items you can available from eBay. This polymailer bags, no padding, black logo, 14.5, 18.5. I click this one. Okay, I have $25 eBay discount. Then you put your discount, then whatever amount you have to pay for the balance, and you're done. Okay, that's a short video about how to redeem your eBay discount. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.